So we're back in Lake of Woods again, on the same side, the north side of the inlet. Back in the back, they have a mud flat. It's about 10 feet deep here. All my baits are down about 8 foot. Wind's out of the east, so right now I'm going into the wind. Since last year, I purchased a new toy. It's called an Eagle Eye 9, which is a live fish viewer. It has the front reveal or front view, has a down view. It's not like the $3,000 fish finders that you can buy that have all the live scope stuff that goes back 135 degrees. This one only goes 45 degrees, but it works really well. And since I have it aimed out the back, so I'm viewing the fish as I go by, actual live fish, and I can see them really well on this. I mean, you can, when they're a big catfish, you can tell it's a catfish because you can see the dorsal fin and tail fin and everything on them as they're moving around. And so what I've been doing is I've been scoping those out, and I'm putting my baits back far enough, about 50 feet behind me, so that I may have enough time to react to turn the boat in the direction of where I think the fish is. The way that you know where the fish is, because it's only a 2D image, the way you know where the fish is that you can, I have it on my scope on a pebble, or on my transducer on a pole, so I can turn it, and if the image becomes stronger of the fish, becomes clear, then I know the fish is either to the right or to the left, depending on which way I turn the scope. So that is what I am doing, and it seems to be, it doesn't catch any more fish, but it's certainly fun to look and see the actual fish, and you can tell there's fish down there, and there are a ton of fish in this lake, a lot more than I thought, based on my old down scheme. So this pretty much shows you everything, so it's pretty cool. So anyway, that's the new toy I got this year, so we'll see how that works. I'm able to see structure really well. I'm able to see trees and stuff along the shore and everything really well. You can definitely tell what they are, and you can tell, like, if you're up next to a dock and you can, if you aim it at the dock or at any of the poles on a dock, you can see the pole real well, and you can see the fish all around it, so it's pretty neat. This fish finder cost $1,000 bucks, but I got on a deal over at Cabela's where I got $200 off, and then it was on Monday, which was, I have a Cabela card, so they give you an extra 10% off, so I got it for about $700 bucks. So that might be too much for people to look for a fish, but since I'm retired, I wanted the toy. My brother got it, and so I got jealous, and I wanted it, so I bought it and put it on my boat. Pretty easy setup. They want like $250 for a freaking pole to put your transducer on, so I got a piece of PVC pipe with an elbow, and I used an old fishing pole holder, and I clamped to the side of the boat, and then a freaking 1 1/4 inch pipe fits perfectly in it. So I use that. That seems to be working real well. It didn't cost me $250, it cost me about 10. Once again, living on a shoelace. So even though I don't need to, but I saved money there. So we'll see how we do back here. It seems like the fish are on flats at this time. At least they are back here. I don't know about the rest of the reservoir. It's been so windy. I've been coming back in this inlet just to stay out of the wind. Yeah, I'm sideways going across this inlet. Oh, here we go. Got one finally. It's pretty good. Hit it pretty good. What's that? I just got one. Oh. It's hitting pretty good. See if I can get them away from my other flicking. Oh, that's a pretty good size one. He's got to be at least maybe a 10 or 15 pounder.
Didn't get skunked anyway.
Yep, got one. I'm up here about, I would say, probably 100 yards from the dam.
Yeah, that's a little different place than you were.
Yep, I'm right now in about 16 foot or 15 foot or something. Yeah, he's pretty good size. He looks like he's about either 10 pounds or maybe 15.
That'd be good.
Seems to be pretty active. Got him. Got him.
How big he is, about 10?
Yeah, probably a little bit bigger than 10. He might be close to 15. We'll see.
Good.
He's talking. It's a male, so it has a wider head. Caught him on a chunk. Okay, I'll get a weight on him.
Buddy?
Not really. This bait was only down 8 foot, so, and I'm in about 15 foot, so he is 15 pounds.
Oh, that's decent. That's a good fish.
Yep. I'm almost up on
Good, yeah.
I'm almost up on the dock, or up on the. I'm about 50 yards now from the dam, so I need to do something here quickly.
Yeah, I'm gonna move somewhere. I don't know where.
Bring these things in. Turn this off. I wonder whether or not I even have anything if the bluegill's even on here anymore. Oh, he's still on there. He's still swimming. That's good. Okay, get on my 2 left hands. There's the second left hand.
There you go.
Yeah, it's blowing pretty good out of here now.
It's blowing again?
Yeah, out of this inlet, man, it's really blowing me out of the inlet pretty hard.
Yeah, here it's not really windy back. But then again, I'm not.
Okay, lay flat. 33 inches. 15 pounds, 33 inches. Oh, he just did a flip.
He did a what?
He did a backflip.
Oh, okay.
That's it for now. See you later.